Whoa. It's pure love, just like you. Ingredients. Today we're making a strawberry tiramisu with white chocolate topping. It's gonna be just gorgeous. We're gonna let the strawberries marinate in water, sugar, and lemon juice. And now set it aside while we make the cream. The yolks and the light brown sugar all together. Now we add the mascarpone cream, a little bit at a time. Now in the fridge for 20 minutes. Okay, we're gonna separate the juice of the strawberries. Now you see the lady fingers get dipped in the strawberry and lemon juice and placed. Now a layer of strawberries. Now a little bit of white chocolate grated. And now the mascarpone cream. And now we repeat. Now remember, for the full recipe, subscribe to my newsletter. We send the recipes with 2 to 3 weeks delay. So if you subscribe today, you will receive this one if it was published today within the next 2 to 3 weeks. Now again, white chocolate. It's gonna be sensational, just like you. Now let's top it off with white chocolate. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. This strawberry and white chocolate tiramisu, it's the perfect Valentine's Day dessert if you want to shake it up a little. You know, strawberries otherwise are also a little bit, you know what I'm saying, right? Conducting. Make this strawberry tiramisu. It's just gorgeous! And don't forget, subscribe to the channel and to my newsletter to get this amazing recipe. Ciao a tutti belli. Ciao!